I was halfway through a walk that I almost didn't take, and suddenly I felt it. It's that clarity and that calm, that sense of me again. And here's the wild part, it only took 20 minutes. Most people overlook this one daily habit that can change everything. Have you ever felt like your mind is running the show, but your body's quietly waiting for you to come home? Well, we live in a world that glorifies busy, but forget the medicine of movement. Not the gym and not the grind, just a walk. And I didn't believe it either until I started noticing how a simple daily walk began changing everything in my life. Not with hype, but with presence. And not with effort, but with rhythm. Over 20 years ago, I began building a life around this idea, walking through ancient gardens with my family, turning holidays into opportunities for joy and wealth, even navigating IKEA with a toddler in tow. All of it became part of my practice, and now I help others do the same, not by adding more, but by doing life differently. Years ago, I was staring at my screen, feeling foggy and stuck and disconnected. I told myself I'd go for a walk after I finished this one thing. An hour passed, and then two. Finally, I just got up, no plan and no podcast, just me outside. And about 10 minutes in, something clicked. I noticed the way the light hit the trees. I heard my own breath. I felt the ground beneath my feet. And it was like my body said, there you are. If you know you need to walk more, but struggle to find the time, energy, or inspiration, then I can help you and get you enjoying all the benefits that daily walking brings. So if you want to work with me to learn how to add daily walking into your lifestyle, then pop a comment below with the words walk more. Alternatively, you can follow the Work With Me link in the description to book a discovery call with me. I'm looking forward to working with you and helping you enjoy life better. Make it intentional, not optional. Most people treat walking like filter time. But when you choose to honor it as a practice, your body and mind show up differently. I started treating my daily walk like a meeting with my own energy, and it shifted how I showed up in every other space. And if that feels hard to make space for, wait until you hear step 2. Stack the wins. You don't need a 10,000 step goal. You need momentum. On holidays with my family, I'd let the movement happen naturally. Exploring Weymouth, walking the gardens at Stowe House. By the end of the day, I'd walk 10 kilometres without even trying. And the best part, step 3, might be the simplest of all. Step 3 is use what's already in your life. You don't need new habits. You need new awareness. Walking through IKEA with a toddler taught me more about movement than any fitness tracker. It was real life, not a workout, and that's the point. And if this feels refreshingly doable, wait until you hear what's next. Earlier, I mentioned how one simple walk helped me reconnect with my energy. But there's something else I've started doing that's made an even deeper impact on my mindset. Check out this next video where I show you how to anchor your nervous system, spark creativity, and feel fully alive using just one shift that's hiding in plain sight.